Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cash stuffing video. So my name is Jeanette and I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4 children. So my financial goal for this cash stuffing and zero-based budgeting method is to save for 6 months of expenses. So as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, that is the money I am allocating to my savings challenges. So today we're going to do the birthday savings challenge, the roll the dice savings challenge, Christmas savings challenge, $5 diamond savings challenge, and our 100 envelope saving challenge. So those are all the savings challenges we are going to do today. Also, in the beginning of the video, I did show you guys some stuff that I have available in my shop. Yesterday's video was dedicated to our completed savings challenge, the self-care one. And I allocated that money into my 6 months of expenses as well as my sinking funds. We did cash stuff our dollar diamond savings challenge. And also I have a video up from Monday as well as Tuesday. So every day I'm going to try to bring you guys a video. Don't hold me on it because things happen, life be lifing. So I'm going to try every day to bring you guys something. Also, I do shorts as well. So make sure you check out my shorts where I do cash stuffing as well. So let's jump right into this. Okay, so the first savings challenge we are going to do is going to be our birthday savings challenge. So for birthday, we're going to save a total of $10. So that's going to be 2 of the presents. So let's take out 10 for this. And it's going to be 2 of the presents. So I'm going to do it this color. I did get some new Sharpies. Let's see how this works. Oh, perfect. It works better. So I can just stay within the lines. But I want to see how quick it takes to dry up. Okay, so we're doing 2 of the presents. And I'm using a fine tip Sharpie. And this looks so pretty. Okay, so there goes 2 of those. Let me just air it out real quick to make sure it dries. Let me see. Oh, wow. Okay, so those are dry. Okay, so now we have a total of $20 in our birthday savings challenge. And these are part of the Girl Boss savings challenges. The only one that's separate is the roll the dice challenge as well as the Christmas challenge. Okay, so now we're doing roll the dice challenge and I have $6 allocated for that. So let's see what we roll. I do 6 because 6 is the higher number on the dice. So let's see what we get. And we're only going to roll the dice once for this. So let's take the money out. We're almost complete with this challenge. Okay. So I'm going to lay the $6 right here because we don't know what we're going to roll. So let's just move this over a little bit and let's roll this dice. Okay, so we rolled a 4. So we're going to have $2 left over for this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put those $2 in the back and I'll add it to my dollar savings challenge, my dollar diamond savings challenge. Okay, so we got a 4. Let me just color in a 4 here. So we do have green. So this would show a little bit better, actually. Because with the other Sharpies, I couldn't really see much. So there goes a 4. We still have this whole row left over here. There's 1 here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. We have 2 here. We have 2 here. And we have 1 here. I will roll again to see if I get a 1. But what are the chances of that? I have $2. I'm going to roll again to see what I get. And if I get a 1 and a 2, then I'll put it in. But if I don't, I'm going to save that to my dollar diamond challenge. So let's see what we get. If we get a higher number than 2, then yeah, I'm not adding anything. 5. Okay, so I'm not adding anything. Okay, so that is it for the roll the dice challenge. So far in our roll the dice challenge, we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So we have a total of $69. And our goal for the roll the dice challenge is $105. So that is that. Oh, perfect. It dried quickly. Okay. So there goes that challenge. Okay, now for our Christmas challenge, we're going to add $10. So let's do these red. So far I have $5 in there. This one was colored, but I think I'm gonna recolor it with this one so it can show more. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, but at least it shows a little bit more. Okay, that's one. Well, that's the one we had already colored. So we're coloring two right now. One. And two. Okay. So now we have a total of $15 in there. Just make sure this dries. Okay. So there goes our Christmas challenge. Okay, so for our dollar savings challenge, we're going to add $2 that was left over from the roll the dice challenge. And then we'll move on to our $5 diamond challenge. Okay, so for this challenge, we're going to cross out two of them. So let's do this one right here and this one right here. And let's add these $2 to this. Yesterday, I believe we added like $6. All the latest videos, I'll put them at the end of this video so you guys can check them out. So now our dollar savings challenge has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So $38. So we need a total now of $9 more to complete this challenge. Okay. Okay, so we're actually going to skip the $5 challenge. I could have sworn I had a 5 for it, but I don't. Okay, so that one's going to get skipped. If I come across the $5, let's see what happens, because my son just be playing with stuff in my office. So I don't know where those $5 went. Well, I'll have to recount stuff. Maybe I put it in something I wasn't supposed to. Okay, so moving on, we're not going to do our $5 diamond challenge. And also, guys, if you guys want to see a video of everything I've saved so far, I can definitely bring you guys a video like that. Just basically going through all my binders and counting out how much we've saved so far since I started saving. Okay, so next challenge is going to be our 100 envelope savings challenge. And we're going to add 23 to this. Okay, let's go over to 23. I think these right here, like this $5 one here, I'm going to switch out like and put all 20s in it. And this one too. Okay, I think for 19, I have 19. I don't know yet. Okay, I'll do that in another video though. Okay, so we have $23 for our 100 envelope challenge. I'm going to add this in here. Okay, so that is everything for our savings challenges. I think that is it for this video. I wanted to show you guys my change jar. So basically when this gets really full, that's when I'll cash it in. But so far, this is what it's looking like, if you guys can see that. Tomorrow's video, I think I'm going to do how much I've saved so far. If you guys want to see that, please leave a comment below. If you guys place the order on Monday and Tuesday, I will be processing those today. And then the orders from Wednesday and Thursday, I'll be doing over the weekend. So thank you guys for your support in my small business. We are selling a lot of the monthly savings challenges that's going, and also the ice cream cash envelopes. If you guys don't know what that looks like, it's in my sinking funds binder. So I'll show you really quickly what these envelopes look like. So this is like the whole collection of the ice cream collection, and you can write whatever you want on there. So this is how that collection looks. So pretty. I think this is like my favorite collection. This and the cherry blossom collection. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. And if you have any questions, again, leave a comment below. Yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.